Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a very vintage chainsaw. This is a 1944 Titan Model E chainsaw that was made in 1944, and it measures from the handlebars to the tip of that helper handle just over 9 feet. It's been on display for several years. That's not the original chain, that's just a chain that's on there, not the original. Bar is original. Look at those mufflers. Aren't those in great shape? Those are usually the hardest thing to find on these. It does turn over. I did try to start it. It is going to need some work. You're going to have to take it apart and probably give it a really good cleaning and check over. I haven't been inside the motor. There's a tag on it. And it says Mill and Mine Supply, Seattle, Washington, Model E, serial number 5575. There is a weld on one of the cylinders, I noticed that. Look at that gear. The bar does pivot. There's the little knob there. Weighs over 105 pounds with the short bar, and this is the long bar on it, so it weighs quite a bit. Be aware of that when you're bidding. The shipping is going to be, I'm guessing probably in the $150 range for shipping because of the weight. And I'll pull that motor over so you can see it does turn over. But if you're into these very vintage, very big saws, this one's really sharp looking.